Now, many of you already know that each and every week on Tuesday we get to see the NEV insurance registrations from some of our favorite EV stocks like Nio. I mean, this Tuesday or today we did not get that report. Probably it's because in China, ladies and gents, it is a holiday, or there is a long holiday which started last week on Friday and supposed to end on Friday this week, and that is of course from the 29th to the 6th of October. Now, you will know, most of you, that when you look into the news deliveries for the month of September, ladies and gents, they did not come as many people thought, or as most of the investors thought, and one of the reasons might be because of Friday and Saturday was a holiday. This long holiday had started, which is why probably we saw, of course, vehicles or the deliveries not coming as many people thought they would. I mean, you will know that for the month of September, Nio reported total deliveries of over 15,600, which was of course lower than the kind of deliveries they reported for the month of August, which was around 19,300, and down from also the all-time high deliveries which they reported for the month of July of over 20,400. So these 15,600 resulted in Nio seeing total deliveries of over 55,000 for the entire Q3, which of course that was a new quarterly record. But one of the good things that we can talk about Nio is that, ladies and gents, deliveries have improved comparing to the kind of deliveries that Nio has been producing for the previous year. But this video today, ladies and gents, I just want to bring something for you to the table, so that at least you don't get to, of course, once again get disappointed by the kind of numbers you would see, of course, from the NEV insurance registrations probably that might come next week Tuesday, if we are to get that report. Because, ladies and gents, the very same time or around the same period last year, ladies and gents, one of the things that we saw coming out from the NEV insurance registrations, ladies and gents, is that our favorite EV stocks like Nio did not do well that week, or the week where we saw, of course, China national holiday was taking place. I mean, last year from the 3rd of October to the 9th, we saw Nio coming out with total NEV insurance registrations of around 1,228, which was of course not good, and companies like XPeng, Liodo, they also suffered the same fate, together with Tesla and BYD and the others. I mean, I see on the screen, notice that the article or this report noted, or there was a big note to say that there was a huge drop in NEV insurance registrations from EV cars or EV car companies in China, mainly due to this holiday. And to know that the holiday, ladies and gents, it is taking place, or it is still on for the rest of the week, it means that we might get to see Nio producing the kind of the very same numbers, if not slightly better than these numbers we saw coming out of last year's first week of October. Because you remember that the Chinese national holiday last year ran from the 1st to the 7th of October, and since of course right now it is supposed to end on Friday, chances are very high that we might get the same numbers or slightly better. We don't know, because of the probably production ramp up that Nio has done this year. So chances are very high that the numbers will come pretty low. So I just thought I should just put it out there so that you don't get to be surprised as to why, of course, we see, of course, low numbers on Tuesday next week when we get that NEV insurance registration report. So I know some of the people are really frustrated about the, of course, September, or are still frustrated about the September deliveries, but I think we just need to move on from that, because a positive note is that, of course, Nio saw a new quarterly record of over 55,000, or delivering over 55,000 for Q3, which is something that is good, right? And right now, what we need to closely monitor is the kind of deliveries that Nio will report for Q4, or for October, November and December, of which October we know that the first week is already impacted by these holidays. The one thing that of course we'll closely monitor is the kind of deliveries that Nio will start reporting from next week, because then we'll know that everything is open. Nio will be delivering a vehicle as normal, of which that will be very important, because you know that Nio indicated that for Q4 they are targeting to deliver vehicles of around 30,000 a month. They've prepared their, of course, factories to produce more vehicles, which will result or is to result in them delivering 30,000 on a month to month, of which do I think they will get 30,000 each and every month. Well, October, I know that they will seriously struggle to get to that 30,000, but November and December, there are chances that if their factories are upgraded to get to that number on a monthly basis, then chances are we might see Nio delivering the 30,000 on a month to month. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me. And before you buy Nio for the very first time, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence so that at least you can be comfortable as you are investing onto this stock, as this stock can turn out to be quite volatile. And those of you that have been investing onto this stock, you can attest to that. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.